Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a really cool car, very rare 1933 Vicky. This car has a steel body, 355 stroker, power disc brakes, air conditioning, power windows, mini overhead console. It's got a set of really cool Boyds on it. Just don't see them around anywhere. Beautiful fit and finish. Again, steel body. See a lot of glass Vickies around, but you don't see the steel ones. This is a multiple show winner. We've got about 25 trophies that come along with the car. Rear. Coil-overs all the way around. Man, it just sits nice too. Those are Hoosier Pro Streets that hook up really good. 31 by 16 and a half and 15. Very straight, beautiful body. You can hear the electric fan running up front. This car runs nice and cool. Got dual quads. Edelbrock C26 intake. Headers leading all the way out. They're long tube headers. MSD ignition. Obviously air conditioning. Really nice. A lot of money built in this car. Inside we got power windows, tilt wheel, plenty of room for a big guy too. The air conditioning, mini overhead console with CD, full voltage pack, oil, temp, battery, fuel. Just got 5,890 miles on the build. Vintage air is down below. Really nice car. Little jump seat in the back. Kids love to ride back there. Alpine 6x9s, finish it off with stereo. There's your third brake light. It's made out of billet. She rides real nice. Got remote control door poppers as well. And it's got these little things here. You bring those out just for safety. She's fully detailed, ready to go. Really cool. Sorry about the wind, guys. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike. You can call us directly at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.